Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am in my bathroom, so I don't know if you hear an echo or not. I'm also using a different camera, so I don't know how the sound quality is right now, but I do not want to set up the other camera. It's really big and bulky, and I just don't have time for that right now. So I am going to give myself a makeover, guys, a very much needed makeover. Yes, this is my hair, you guys. I want to show you guys. This is my hair. This is my hair. Look at it. This is how it looks. You can't see. I'm not wearing pants, so I want to make sure there's no reflection where you can see. This is how bad my hair looks. It's pretty bad, guys. I don't know if you can tell in camera. Like, look at this. Look at the damage. Oh yeah, see how it's changing color? Alright, as I get closer you can see, like, look at this. Look how nasty my hair looks. Alright guys, so this is my hair straighten. As you guys can tell, when I was straightening it, there's different shades. Like, it goes like different colors and it's different lengths. Some chunks are longer, some, because it was a blob, but she cut it so that when it would grow out, it kind of grow in layers because she knew she was leaving my stylist. So it's kind of like all jagged all over the place. So, which I like textures because it gives me volume instead of this flat. So I think I'm gonna have it flat for a while because I don't trust myself going really in. But this is how it looks right now. Hey guys, so not the same day. It's not that I've been avoiding doing this. It's that I'm scared. So I don't have like hair cutting tools. But I do have fabric tools. So this is my fabric scissors. Figured they would be the best. And then the hell are my little scissors? And then I have little scissors for little cutting. Let's just fucking do it, you guys. Alright. Maybe I should save these so they don't get mixed up. Oh my god, that's so much hair to cut. Alright. Guys, can you guys see how much? I need a mirror. Alright. That looks pretty accurate to where I want to cut. Oh my god, you guys. Alright, let's see. I'm so scared. I can't cut it from behind though. Just right, okay, just right where the rubber band is, just cut right underneath. This one, the big one, no, oh my god, the big one, but put it straight down, like no, like go like just like this down, like do it. You're doing it on the bottom of the ribbon, right? You did that all ballsy without like even like hesitating or anything. I feel like I'm gonna cry.
Okay.
Oh my god. He just leaves like, oh my god, guys, look at all my hair. That's so much hair. Oh my god. Look at the amount of hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is so choppy, guys. Like, not even joking. Alright. So, let's see how I'm gonna do this. So, it's clearly longer. I'm just gonna cut. Oh my god, you guys. Like, so see how it goes? So, I am just look at how much I cut and like I have hesitation compared. Oh fuck. Damn it, I'm gonna have to sweep now. Alright. Alright, hold on. I'm so scared. Like he just cut. Meanwhile, I'm like shitting bricks over here. Clearly, I still need to cut more, but I am just scared shitless. Alright. Now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to texturize it. Not so bad. Alright. Look at how like it looks. I don't know, should I do all the same length then? Now should I cut my bangs? I'm just making one bad decision after another. Let's finish this makeover, guys. Let's finish this makeover. I am shitting bricks right now because I feel like the front, curl it. We're gonna curl it. Look at this hair, guys. We're good. We're all good. All right. All right. So to our next step is dyeing it. Now I know a lot of people will go ahead and do like formula this and half of this and this. I'm using a box. I'm not, no. The most risky thing I'm gonna do is cut my hair. I'm not gonna risk dyeing. So before in the past, I've used Kiara, this brand, like back a long time ago, bright black. So I'm not gonna change what I did before and try a new brand. So they have numbers. So where's my instructions? I don't want them to, oh there it is. I don't need the instruction. I don't need the instructions. I can do this, oh man. Now, I need 4. Always use the instructions to put your dye stuff on top so you don't get everything mixed up. And always put the conditioner that they give you straight in the shower. The solution, put in there. Put in number 3. just to give it a good smell. Basic all stuff, and vitamins, minerals, who knows. And you close it. And now I put on my gloves. My gloves. My glove down. Alright, gloves. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Oh my god. So you guys could see how. Can you see? Back. Like if I do this. But if you go to a professional and get a blob, I'm pretty sure it's the same. So this is how it looks right now, guys. Oh my god. No, I'm not gonna worry. What, am I gonna tape back my hair? No. I'm just gonna take a bunch of vitamins to make my hair grow. And the whole point is I'm trying to get rid of the dead. And I got rid of so much of even good hair. I just got rid of hair. And so, alright. I'm just gonna fast forward this part because Hey guys, so this is my hair. What am I touching with this hand? I put the timer on. That's why I took this off. I'm gonna clean this off and I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna blow dry it and style it and then let's see the results, you guys. Let's see what happened. Let's see if I will be going and finding a new stylist to fix my hair. So, fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. Before, after. This is how it came out, you guys. This is my after makeup. So the black looks really good. I looked around. I don't think I missed anything, any spots. The hair though. Okay. So it is a little jacked, but can you really tell? Okay, so this is the back. I can't even see the back. So I kind of curled it. You can see the back. I kind of curled it. Did I miss any black back there? I can't see. I can't see. So this is it. This is my makeover. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Make sure to subscribe if you guys like any of these videos.